Place a band around your legs just under your knees. Up to you whether you place your hands forward or backwards, but just make sure that they are behind your hips. And feet press into the floor and push you up like a little bit of a bridge. And you want to push your legs open against the band. So you should be feeling some resistance on the outside of your legs from the band. Push your hips up and engage those glutes. And try to keep the hips up throughout the entire exercise for maximum glute burn. Start to walk backwards. And, this always works best if you have a long hallway or living room. And try to walk forwards afterwards. And remember, pull with your glutes and keep those hips up.